Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to print shipping labels on Shopify. To start this tutorial, click on the gear icon that says Settings on the lower left. This one over here. Tap on it. In here, you just need to wait for the website to finish loading. It says the setting list isn't available right now. Check back later. Well, all we have to do is just refresh the page if this error occurs. See, it's already back. Once you're here, you're going to scroll down and then look for shipping and delivery. Over at shipping and delivery, you are going to scroll down. In here, in the header that says packing slips, a printed list of items in a shipment that often goes inside a package. In here, you see a packing slip template. You're going to click on edit this time. Now, this is the sample code of the packing slip. And to see what it looks like, click on Preview Template on the upper right. Now wait for the website to finish loading. As you can see here, here's an example PDF on how the slips are going to be looking like. You can click on Download this time so you could print it on your very own. On the upper right, there's a download button. And then make sure you save it. Or you could also directly print it by clicking on the printer icon. Make sure you're connected with your printer as well, over Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or whatever. Once done, just click on Print. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.